everyone! Today we ran a different kind of experiment. Watch how the parrots interact with dogs. Stay with us till the end.
I've never seen that in real life.
No way. He just took the hat like a trophy. This is too cute.
No way. Tiny dog, giant bird, and they're both so calm.
Oh, that's the gentlest little hello.
They're both chasing the same toy and nobody's being rough. Perfect. That was smart. He actually tracked it. And
Sorry for the quick interruption. If you're enjoying this, please subscribe and hit like. It really helps the channel. Thank you.
Want to pro? Want to pro?
I can't believe how calm this is. It's like they're friends already. Just let it stay gentle.
No way. They're speaking the same gentle language. Keep it slow. This is perfect.
That was so smooth, like they rehearsed it. Good boy, both of you. Okay, that's the gentlest little ride I've ever seen. Good dog. Good bird. Easy.
stay. Good boy. Ready? Go get it. Leave it. Nice. Yeah, buddy.
Good. Ready? Here we go. That's it. Follow the cone. Nice go, buddy. Hop up. Yep. And off. Good job, both of you. Good.
Okay, they're actually playing. Wow, this is way too sweet, so gentle.
Wow.
You just stole the cone like a trophy. This is unbelievable.
This looks like a mini circuit. How are they both this coordinated?
That is unreal. I've officially seen everything.
Let's go. I swear he looked at all three, then just committed.
He celebrated like he just won a championship. Look at that crest. He celebrated like he just won a championship. Look at that crest.
Yes! He's sharing the game. No way.
Boy, this is literally tagged. So cute.
He's copying the bird. This is unreal.
Look at it. Stop. They're playing hide and seek. This is the sweetest, calmest play I've ever seen. Easy, good dog, good bird.
Can't believe how calm this is. It's like they both understand the rules. So sweet.
He's using the dog like a little perch. Look how careful both of them are. Easy, easy.
Okay, slow and steady. It's a giant macaw trusting a giant dog. So gentle.
That bell is their whole game. Listen to that.
No way.
Just picked a head like it was a chair.
That is a massive bird making a choice, and they're all just accepting it.
Beautiful fish.
Well, always so brave, and the dog is being perfect.
Okay, slow and gentle. Look at that. Curiosity, not fear. Good dog. Good bird.
Actually, that's a giant parrot being careful, and that tiny dog being so polite.
No way. He just used the dog like a little perch. And the dog is so patient, perfect.
They're playing the gentlest soccer ever.
No way. They're actually playing tug of war. That's wild.
That's teamwork.
They spin in the bird's reaction. They're cheering each other on.
Okay, that's adorable. Easy and gentle.
Oh, that's a perfect hello. So gentle. I can't.
That's the sweetest little hello.
This is like a tiny athlete playing with a giant. Look how gentle they are.
No way. That's a giant macaw doing a tug of war like it's normal. Stay, good boy. Ready? Stay. Here goes. Here we go. Good stop. Nice work, both of you.
I swear this looks staged, but it's not. He's actually playing.
That's the gentlest hello ever.
Okay, they're actually playing.
Everybody negotiating who moves first. Maybe.
This is ridiculous. In the best way. A dog and a conure hunting bubbles like a team.
This dog is a saint.
That little bird is fearless. Hello. That's the calmest hello. Look at the patience. Husky's curiosity is huge. And the conyour's like, yep, I'm brave.
Crestpot was a hello. And the Frenchie actually understood it.
That little pause is the decision. And once he climbs, that's a kakapo saying, I feel safe with you.
I can't believe he... I can't believe it.
Stay still. Let him climb.
He actually chose. Don't move. Let him climb. Oh my God, he chose you.
Nobody move. Let him settle. I can't believe this.
Oh, he picked. On her shoulder.
Don't move. Let him climb.
No way. No way. That was so fast.
Stay calm. Let him finish the climb.
I swear I've never seen this happen like this. He already decided. Just stay still. This is one of those once-in-a-lifetime moments.
Oh, wow. He's on her shoulder.
I'm actually shaking. This is the sweetest thing I've ever
And
seen.
you picked the right one without hesitation, like it was meant to be.
No way.
She's got a look like anyway.
I've never seen one choose this confidently. Just breathe. Let him finish the climb.
Yeah, this is special.
You're okay.
Kayaks are basically tiny acrobats. Always playful, always full of attitude.
These are bold.
When they pick you, it's instant. Like they just made a decision in their head.
They're like little sons. If they like you, they'll glue themselves to you immediately.
Look at that. He picked you. Some birds don't just perch, they choose, and you can feel it.
This is the kind of moment that hits you. Like he just decided you're safe. It's pure trust.
Oh, wow.
It's not bonding. It's like a tiny creature saying, I trust you with my whole world.
Don't move. Let him climb at his pace. The calm is what makes him choose.
When they decide you're safe, they go all in like it's the easiest thing in the world.
Blue-throated macaws are rare and they're weirdly affectionate. When they choose you, they stick like glue.
Couple palm cockatoos look serious, but they're absolute characters. If they pick you, it's like you just got approved.
When a great picks you, it's not random. They're saying something just quiet enough that you've got to really listen.
Okay, no one move. With blindfolds, it's pure trust. If he climbs up, he chose you for real.